Hey, welcome back to Chef Pup's Kitchen. All right, what I got here, I got a garlic bulb. All right, today we're going to be making garlic powder. Okay, we're going to be using the dehydrator to dry out this garlic and put it into a grinder and turn it into powder, which we'll have garlic powder. So without further ado, let's get this garlic prepared. All right, let's prepare these garlics here. So the easiest way to prepare it, first of all, break them apart. Let's get them all broken apart here. All right. If you have a dehydrator, this is a very, very simple way of making your own garlic powder. Okay. Now, you have an outer layer of skin here. I don't really want to crush it, but we're going to see what we can do here. But we got to release this outer skin, which I'm probably going to have to do the old method of breaking the skin off, which works out pretty easy. All right, now since I got this piece of garlic peeled, I don't want to cut up that little teeny piece. Okay, and now what I want to do, I want to cut it in thin slices. Remember, when you're dehydrating, the thinner it is, the quicker it dehydrates. All right, I'm sure you understand what I'm doing. All right, so I'm going to finish up all this garlic bulb. I'm going to use as much as I can use, and the rest I will save it for different recipes. All right, so y'all guys stay tuned because I'll be right back. Don't go nowhere. Okay, I grinded it up as the best I can. It came out pretty good, but there's still some chunks in there. Not big, but I am going to do a sift on it. Real nice. It's coming out real nice. Smells like garlic powder. And it tastes like garlic powder. Yep. I got garlic breath now. So what I really want to do, I want to put a little at a time. And then shake it. Get all the powder out. You see, this is what I was talking about, the chunks. So I'm going to set that to the side and continue to sip this garlic powder. And we're going to put it back into the grinder and grind it up some more. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, I just finished off grinding it. A lot of it did get grinded, but I think this is going to be the last of it. I'm not going to worry about it, because probably the reason why they didn't grind is because they have moisture in them. Now I can put them back in, but I'm not. I am not. All right. So that's the leftovers there, and let me show you what I did here. I have a jar. This is my garlic powder I just made. All right. So, take it. Do my job. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, homemade garlic powder. All right. So if y'all guys like this video, please give me thumbs up, subscribe, ring that bell. I would really, really appreciate it. Tell your friends and family about Cooking with Chef Puff. We have a lot of cooking to do this summer. All right. So y'all guys stay tuned. Love you. I'll be back. And y'all guys keep watching, okay? All right. Bye-bye.